In the frigid winter of 1812, the once formidable Napoleonic forces marched eastward, their sights set on the heart of the Russian Empire. The Grand Army, numbering over 500,000 men, was a testament to the power and determination of the French Emperor, Napoleon Bonaparte. However, the vastness of Russia proved a formidable adversary. The land stretched on endlessly, the air crisp and cold, reminding the invaders of the unforgiving nature of their conquest. The Russian peasantry, fiercely independent, melted away from the path of the French, leaving behind only the desolate sound of the wind howling across the steppe. As the days turned into weeks, Napoleon's forces pressed further, their numbers dwindling due to the harsh conditions and relentless Russian guerrilla attacks. The once grand army was now a shadow of its former self, its morale crumbling under the weight of the seemingly endless winter. The turning point came at the Battle of Borodino, a bloody and brutal engagement that left both sides reeling. Though the French initially claimed victory, the cost was too high. Napoleon lost over 25,000 men, and the Russian forces, though severely depleted, continued their retreat, luring the French deeper into Russia. The retreat began in late October, with the first snows of winter falling. Napoleon, oblivious to the dire situation, pressed on, confident in his ability to conquer and subdue. However, the Russian winter had other plans. The cold became unbearable, the snow deep and treacherous, and the supplies ran short. As the temperatures plummeted, the ground froze, turning the roads into a deadly obstacle course. Thousands of horses, unable to walk in the deep snow, were abandoned, their carcasses littering the path of the retreating army. Food and ammunition grew scarce, and the once formidable force was reduced to cannibalism and desperation. The retreat was a nightmare, a haunting journey that would be etched into the annals of history. Thousands died, not in the heat of battle, but in the cold and misery of the Russian winter. By the time the remnants of the Grand Army reached the city of Smolensk in December, they were a mere fraction of their original size. The retreat of Napoleon's Grand Army from Russia marked a turning point in the Napoleonic Wars. The loss of over 400,000 men, along with the loss of moral and prestige, weakened the French Empire. The Russian winter, in its inhospitable cruelty, had proven a formidable foe. In the end, Napoleon would be defeated at the Battle of Leipzig in 1813, and abdicate in 1814, marking the end of the Napoleonic era. The retreat from Moscow, a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit, would forever be remembered as one of the most tragic and costly military campaigns in history.